In this video, I will show you step by step how to add your Pinterest account, your Pinterest profile, and your board to your website. So if you have a WordPress website or any other website, I'll show you step by step how to do it. So here we are on our Pinterest business profile. Diego Davila is pinterest.com/real Diego Davila. And now in the profile, when you go to your profile, here at the top, you have three icons. The third icon is the menu icon. Click on that and you will see the option to make widget. So click on make widget. And here we will create a code, an HTML code and script to add to your website in order to show to your audience your Pinterest, your latest Pinterest post, or also your profile. And here we have the tool, guys, and I'm sure you will love this because it will help you to grow your audience on Pinterest. We have the tool to generate that HTML code and script to share on your website, links, your posts, your boards, your pins, and everything related to Pinterest for your audience. They will love this. This will increase your number of followers for sure. So let me show you how this works. Basically, we have 5 options here. We can create buttons, we can create follow buttons, we can create a pin board, we can create a board, or we can create a profile on your website. I'll show you how to do each one of these and what's the difference. So let's click first on the button. When you select the option at the top here, you see that the options change at the bottom. So basically we can change and we can customize everything we want to show on your website here when we click the option. So on save button, for example, the first one is saying any image, one image, or image hover. So the image hover is this. The one image you see that is the save button with the number of followers at the top. And the image is just the button image. You can also add here a custom image if you want. If you don't want to use this one, you can use your own image. You can say, hey, I want this to be round like this, or I want this to be large like this. You can also choose the language of your followers. And when you are ready with this all customized, you can copy this data, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute here, and paste on your website so you will add this button to specific post. The next one is the follow button. So first we need to enter the Pinterest URL that you want people to follow. So in your case, you can enter pinterest.com/your username. On my case, I'll do that too. So it's pinterest.com/Diego Davila. This is the URL I want Pinterest to drive my audience when they click on follow. Full name, here we will enter Diego Davila, or we can enter, for example, follow. This is basically the text that will show on the button here. You see that it's changing. When I'm adding characters, it's changing here on the previous session, okay? So Pinterest, Diego Davila, excellent. That's all I need. Now I'm ready to copy this to my website and start sharing this follow button with my followers. What's the difference between save button and follow button? Follow, they will be, when they click here, they will be redirected to your Pinterest profile where they can follow you, when they can click on the follow button. And the save one is to save specific things from your website, specific images and videos to their Pinterest account. So you can decide which one to use as you prefer. The next option is pin. So here we are sharing one specific pin from your account, or as you see, you can share pins from any account. So let me go to my Pinterest here and select one. Let's select this pin here. So I will copy this and go to the developers again, to the widget builder, and here I'll change the URL to the other one. Excellent. The preview area already changed it. That's great. You can change and you can use the small, medium, or large pin. So this is the medium, large, or small. Let's use the small now. You see the description here at the bottom. You can hide description by clicking this box here. So it only shows the image if you prefer. And when you are happy with the preview, you can just copy this data, this script, this HTML code to your website. I'll show you how to do that in 1 second here. The next one is board, same idea. Here you can copy the URL for your specific board. So if I go to my account here and I click on boards, you see that I currently have two boards, digital marketing and Facebook marketing. Let's grab the digital marketing one. And here at the top, I see the board. So copy this URL, go to the widget builder and paste the URL here. This is the new URL. You see here all the images for the boards. Of course, we see only two images because I have only two pins here on this board. Again, here, size, you can choose square sidebar. I really like the sidebar because you can add this on the sidebar of your website. Let me show you an example here. If I go to play.diegodavila.com, which is my test website here, the website that I use for demonstration, we have on the right here the sidebar. So we can add this image, this actual post here. Let me find it here. We can add this post on your website on the sidebar here, okay? And I'll show you how to do that in 1 second here. The last option is profile. You can paste the URL of your profile here, and you have the preview here at the bottom. Square, sidebar, header, and create your own. Create your own, basically you can enter your own measurements here in order to have the perfect pin for your website. So let's do this. Let me add my profile. I'll add this one on one of my posts, okay? So let's do this. I will use the square. I like this one. This is the right URL. Excellent. Scroll down and you will do the same. Doesn't matter if you are selecting the save button, follow, pin, board, or profile. You will do the same process from now to copy this to your website. If you have a WordPress website, I'll show you how to do that right now. If you don't have a WordPress website, what you need to do is to copy and paste this code into your page. And also, you need to go and paste this other code before the closing body tag. If you don't know how to do that and your website is not WordPress, I recommend you to contact a programmer because you don't want to make a mistake and change the code of your website and having problems later, preventing your audience to follow you and to visit your website. You don't want that. So if you don't know how to do this and you don't have a WordPress website, contact somebody that can help you. If you have a WordPress website, we will do it right now. So copy this code. Let's go to my website here. Here we are on play.diegodavila.com. Let's say we want to add this image, this post, this widget on this post, below this video. Okay, so I will open this post. I will click on edit post. Of course, you can, if you are here on WordPress, you can go to dashboard, post. You will see all your posts, and you can choose the one that you want to insert the button or the share profile on Pinterest. And here we are on this post, the test video convert player. On WordPress, as you probably know, we have on the right side here two tabs, visual and text. The visual tab is where you can visually write text, add images, and all that. The text tab is the one where you have codes, when you have HTML code that you can paste, you can embed videos and all that good stuff, okay? So we will go to the text tab, the second one here on WordPress, and we will paste this code that we copy here on the widget builder. When you are happy with this, copy this first code, go here to the page, paste, and also immediately you will copy the second one, this other code here, copy and paste. Excellent. Now we will click on preview changes and see if we can see the Pinterest widget on this video. And yes, we have it here. You see the widget showing below the video. Okay, now let's say we want to add the save button here, or the follow button better. So we go to follow, enter your URL here, Diego Davila, that looks good. Let's copy this code first to your post. Okay, paste the code and paste the other code, the second one. where we are here, copy and paste the second code. Okay, excellent. Now let's click on preview changes and see if we can see the button. Excellent. Here we have the image, actually the video, and we have the follow button. If I click here, you will see that the system is redirecting my users to my Pinterest profile, where they can click on follow. They can see all my pins and my boards. So that's amazing. This is how you add this to your website. If you want to add to the sidebar, clients and students always ask me, okay, how do I add the widget to my sidebar? To do that, you come to Appearance, you go to Widgets. Let's leave this page. And on widgets, you see the sidebar here with all the elements that are currently there. So you can grab a text element, which is a text or HTML code. You can add that there. And you can click here and drag and drop on the place that you want. If you want to be at the very top, paste it there, or you can choose where is better for you. Let's put it at the top. Here you can add a title. So you can say, follow me on Pinterest. The title is not mandatory, so if you don't want, you don't need to add it. And here, let's create a new widget. And this is the last one, guys, to share with my audience. So let's do a profile, and we can, on the size here, we can change to sidebar. So this is the preview, looks great. Now we copy the code, go to your, let me close this, go to your sidebar here on Appearance and Widgets and paste the code here. Let's see, paste, one, enter, and copy the second code, copy and paste the code here. When you are happy with this, you can click on save. But one thing before do that, and this is important, I'm glad this happened. You see that again, we have here the two tabs, visual and text. I am on visual right now, and I paste this. So what happens if I save here and I go to my specific page? So let's go here, play.diegodavila.com, save. Probably WordPress will show, this is what happened, probably showing the code here because it's on visual. So basically WordPress thinks that this is not a code, they think that this is a text. So they are showing exactly how it is. So what we need to do here is go to text, and here, yes, we need to copy and paste this code. Let's do that again. Copy and paste, and the second code, copy and paste. Okay, save, and now cross your fingers. Hopefully, we'll see this on your WordPress. Let's go here, refresh. Let's see. Wonderful. Here we have follow me on Pinterest. Of course, if you want to make it this wider, you can customize that on the widget builder. You see that they have information about my post. They have all the pins here. They can click on this and visit my profile and also follow me on Pinterest. If I click here, you see again that the widget is opening my Pinterest account and inviting my audience to follow me. This is amazing. I hope you like this, and I hope you implement this on your website. See you in the next video.